Right. So I just wanted to support this page that you're working on today. We've been working on reading numbers correctly, big numbers. And today you're going to kind of focus on writing numbers that you hear correctly. So this page has numbers written in word form, which is exactly how you would read them out loud. So I'm going to go through and just read each number so you could hear it if you'd rather hear it instead of reading it. And then after you write it, you're going to try to match what you wrote to one of the numbers at the bottom of the riddle. You see they've all got twos and zeros to make it super confusing and tricky. And then you're going to put the letter next to the clue on top of the answer that matches. So I'll do the first one, and then I'll go ahead and read the rest of them. And then this is up to you to work on. So the first one reads 20,002. So I'm going to do how many thousand first. There's 20,000. Then I'll hit the space bar. And how many ones are there? Just two. So I need a zero in the hundreds, a zero in the tens, and there's my two. So that's 20,002. And I'm going to match that with the letter R, which is right here. 20,002. I see my match. There goes my letter R. And that's how this goes. So now I'm just going to go through and read the rest of them for you so you can listen to them. 2,002,000. 2,220,000. This one's tricky because there's no thousands, right? Let's show you one more. 2 million, a space for the thousands. There were no thousands mentioned, but then we had 220 at the end. Okay, you gotta be watching, right? You gotta be paying attention to details. So that's my number that matches zero. So 2000220 is right here. There's my O. Okay, no more giveaways. 220,000, 2 million, 202,002, 2,220,000, 22, 200,000, 222, 2,200,000, 200, 2,200,000, 2, 2,020,000, 200, 222,000, 222, 22,220. And since you watched all the way to the end, you get one more. So this is how many thousands do I have? 22,000 space 220, 220, right? So we want to write our millions first, then our thousands, then our ones. And I'm going to match this 22220. It's right here. And now you have a third answer from me.